Hi Madhuri.
Hi.
So Madhuri is a client from Panchil Towers and she's been with us for a year almost. Her house has turned out really beautiful and I think it's her time to say about it. We've spoken about it a lot.
Right. So I think I met Dhanashree 1 year back, and then honestly, I did not have any clue that how my house is going to be looking like. But then over the time, I was so specific about things that this is how I want the kitchen to look. I like sober things more. So sober yet classy. So that is something that I wanted in my house at any cost. I did not want a very gaudy or very loud colors and all of that. So I was very, very particular. You know it, right?
Yes.
I told you I don't like greens, I don't like blues. I just want all the pastel shades.
All white.
Yeah, all whites. And I wanted the palette to be like only 1 or 2 shades throughout the house. And I remember that so many people from my friends, family, and I think even you doubted once that, it's going to look so boring.
White tiles.
Yeah, everything is going to look so bland. But I was like, no, that one thing I was very much sure about. And then Dhanashree obviously worked hard to put everything together, and now we have the house, and it's like a dream. Like, obviously, I'm so happy with my house that I don't even want to step out of it. I'm not bored. Every room I go in, although we have used very same colors, I get a different feel. If I'm in my bedroom, I have a very different vibe. In my kids' room, I have a very good vibe. I mean, every area of the house, even though it's very same, it's very different.
In fact, the lucky thing was that the color theme that we had, kids' room wallpaper that was ordered from an international brand,
Yeah.
that also had the same colors.
Right.
So we were so specific about our colors that everything started coming to us in those colors.
Yes.
I think colors was the most important thing, right?
Yeah. And then the thing that we always stuck with the idea of keeping everything simple and decent yet classy.
Classy, I think that was the only word I kept listening to. Throughout the process, it was like, shall we do something fancy? And Madhuri was always like, nahi, agar classy lagega, to hi. And every single selection, he was so meticulously doing everything. We traveled to Bhiwandi.
Yeah.
We traveled at so many places. Okay, by the way, she has spent her entire pregnancy through this.
Yes.
And I think her kid is more beautiful, of course.
I think we got our possession just 5 or 6 days before I delivered my baby. And then the entire phase was with the baby.
Yes.
And designing phase was when I was pregnant. So my baby has heard you all too, and that's why he's so connected
Yeah,
with
he
you.
knows me.
Yeah.
She gave us the keys while she was pregnant, and we gave her the keys while the baby was in her hand.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's turned out really beautiful, and it was a challenge in a way that I didn't know. Tiles भी बदलने हैं, tiles change करो. Then white lippen art, white मंदिर. I was like, white कैसे लगेगा सब जगह? And today when I come in this house, the visual beauty, like I keep telling you, how smells also good,
Yeah.
feels also good.
Yeah.
I can feel the classiness. Like when I see other designs around me, I'm like, wow, ये कितना अच्छा है, वो कितना अच्छा है. And every time I see very beautiful designs, but I think the entire thing which is like knitted to a classiness, the sophistication, your house speaks it all.
Right. I hear that a lot. I have not yet invited a lot of friends and relatives, but then a few people who visited me, right when they step inside, they say that we get a very positive, vibe, and the house looks really classy and luxury.
It speaks luxury.
Yeah, it speaks luxury.
And so muted luxury.
Yeah,
it's
and
not
that's
like shouting out.
right. And basically, that is how my personality was from the start, and I just wanted my personality to be reflecting through my house, and I think it reflects in every corner. So
it's exactly like you and your husband. Yeah. When you all met me, I found you all super pretty, super nice. There was no jewelry on you. You don't wear a lot of jewelry.
No, I don't.
You don't deck up a lot. That's your house. That's how you are.
Yeah.
And that's how your house looks like.
Right. I think just to feel fresh in the morning, I just put a few roses and all on the table, and that's all. I mean, I just get that vibe of classiness.
So do you think that we as a team or I as a designer has done justice to what you wanted your house to be like?
Definitely, of course. I think you have executed it, and you have actually carved my ideas, because I am not a professional. Yeah, I am an artist, so I knew what I wanted. But then to bring that to reality, of course, that part was done by you, and then the execution part and how it is looking today.
Right. There were so minute details we took care of, like these mirrors inside. You remember?
Right.
She just came in saying that mirror में भी कुछ अलग करते हैं ना. And then I was like, 3-4 प्रकार के mirror आते हैं. And And then she said, "पता है 5-star hotels में mirror लगे रहते हैं." I'm like, "Yeah, sure, why not?" It was like we did a little bit of trials, but they were always amazing. I've used this mirror for the first time, and it's turned out so beautiful.
Yeah.
The lighting,
The
do you
light
remember?
effect, yeah. That
Yeah, you saw it somewhere, and you
in
said,
a,
"I want
yeah.
it." That was also a very nice thing. Yeah.
Right. I was very specific about things that I wanted, and I got that in a perfect way. So
Correct.
it's really great.
Thank you for trusting in me. Thank you for trusting in us.
And thank you for putting everything together and having this home made for us.
One important thing, we had a lot of difference of opinion.
Yes,
We
always.
are very headstrong women, which I'm very happy about. We did not step back, both of us. We kept our say, and I think this is how women should work together. Even though we are headstrong, however, we did not say that, oh, she's overpowering, or oh, she's so irritating or annoying. No. It's more about, oh, you speak, I speak.
Yeah. And I think end of the day, our goal was same, that we want to
Right.
make this house look very beautiful.
That's the goal, right?
Yeah,
We were
because
fighting towards this. Like,
right.
best karna hai.
Yeah, because even I have a very strong and upfront personality, and I think you also have the same. So clashes did happen. We were never sweet with each other, but then I think we were very outspoken about what we wanted and how things would work and not work. But then yeah, when the goal is just one, you end up like this.
Yes, it's always good to be very opinionated, and if this is the result, then why not? The result is amazing. It's
And I think even for this interview, we were thinking what will we speak, but then if we sit together, then
we can talk.
we just spoke yesterday for I don't know, like 1.5 hours, just like that.
We can keep on going. Yeah.
Right.
Right.
So that's how I think strong women work.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.